Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can link or connect Google reviews with your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, this is very easily done. However, I'm not sure if there is any integrated way to do this. There might be a feature on Squarespace which I'm not aware of at the moment. However, there is a very simple thing to use, and that is Elfsight. Elfsight does have a lot of plugins that are useful for Squarespace or are directly meant for Squarespace. One of them is the Google Reviews plugin, which I will be showing you in this video. However, what I'll do first on Squarespace is I'm going to create a new reviews page. So I'm going to go ahead, click plus here, create a blank page, name it reviews. And now I'm just going to go ahead and edit it. I'm going to add a new section, and I'm just going to make it blank, add a new block, and I'm going to add an embed block, which we're going to be embedding our reviews into. I'm going to extend it a bit, just to make it a bit bigger, and I'm going to go ahead and click on code snippet and embed data, and this is where we're going to add our code. Now, if I go over into Elfsight, as you can see, you can create the widget for free, and I already have one, so you can just pick whichever one of these templates you would like and choose it, and then you can then go ahead and edit that template, which you will then embed. I'll click on view widget since I already have one, and as you'll see, this is my Google Reviews widget. I'll just show you what it looks like really quickly, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'll just go ahead and close it up, and you can edit it from here very easily, and I'm not sure where it went, so let me just go ahead and find it again. There we go, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on these three dots, click embed code, and we're going to copy the code. This will be immediately available for you after you publish it, so keep that in mind. But once we've copied our code, all we have to do is add it to this embed block. And now, because embedded scripts are disabled while editing, I'll just click save and exit, and as you'll see, the Google reviews will then show up on your site. The color of the background is transparent, so they show up very well and will pretty much blend with your site very easily, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.